What's up, awesome people? Thanks for tuning in. You are in for a treat today, so let's get started. From an early age, Elson's family saw great potential in her, predicting a bright future and jokingly promising to sell her childhood photos to journalists one day. Elson grew up adhering to a principle she had learned early on. If you take on something, do it better than anyone else. If you're not confident in your abilities, it's better not to start at all. After successfully finishing school, she enrolled in the conservatory at Mersin University, where she was introduced to opera for the first time. However, Elson decided against pursuing a career as an opera singer, as the rigid framework of classical music stifled her creative freedom. In 2006, she won a scholarship to study at Yeditepe University. After earning a degree in fine arts, she moved to Istanbul. It was there that she delved into acting, participating in theatrical productions, while simultaneously studying Italian and English. This period marked the beginning of her artistic journey and set the stage for her future achievements. And that's a wrap! If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Until next time, take care.